How to kiss a man on the neck. In this video, we're going to show you, step by step, how to kiss a man on the neck to drive him totally crazy. Step 1. Before the kissing, gently stroke his neck with your fingertips to turn him on. Step 2. Make sure to kiss the most sensitive parts of his neck, such as the part where the shoulders and the clavicle meet. Step 3. Before kissing him, make sure to moisten your lips and close your mouth, just as if you were kissing him in the mouth. If you want the kiss to be sexy and playful, blow gently on his neck while you explore his skin with your mouth slightly open. You will drive him crazy with pleasure. Combine quick kisses, slow kisses, and wet kisses if you want to produce intense emotions. It will greatly enhance the sensations. We also recommend kissing your boy on the neck by surprise, after you've already kissed other areas like his mouth or his face. Be sure to kiss him on his most sensitive areas, like behind his ears, for example. Do not hesitate to kiss, suck, and bite his neck if you want to increase his excitement. This is an intimate, sexy, and very passionate gesture. The last thing to remember when kissing your boy's neck is not to be distant. Do not move your body away, since the body language plays a key role in a successful kiss.